Hey guys, welcome to our AlbionSt project. Like plenty of the blocks in the Brunswick area, they're not blessed for size, so we've had to alter the floor plan to jam pack as much as we can in. So the back part of the house was a bit like a rabbit warrant where rooms poking off from each other, kitchen in one side, bedroom to the other. So what we've done is we've chopped it off the back and started fresh. So one key feature we wanted to retain was the high ceilings from the original part of the house. We've brought them through to this new extension area and also emphasised them by installing these skylights above to let that light through. To maximise the flow of this area, we've created an open plan living space. With the kitchen, we have all the working space on the back wall, and we turn into this tall wall of joinery which houses our Fisher & Paykel integrated fridge. The clean aesthetic of the kitchen was achieved by using two Laminex products, white polar on the bottom and raw birch ply on the top. Throughout this project, we've opted for Caesarstone's Cloudburst Concrete. We love this stone because of its subtle variation and the texture it brings throughout the home. A beautiful feature in this room are the handcrafted lights by Robert Gordon. Locally crafted in Melbourne, these soft curves bring a lovely ambience to the kitchen. Typical of a small home, it lacks storage, so what we've done is integrated a TV unit with maximum storage from wall to wall. Where possible, we love to keep certain characteristics from the original part of the home. We were lucky enough to inherit black butt flooring at the front part of the house, which we pieced in from the hallway and ran through this open living area. Here in the bathroom, we have opted for a wet room style layout. This has allowed us to get in a bath, shower, vanity and toilet. Creating continuity throughout the home, we've been able to bring the same features from the kitchen throughout the bathroom. A striking feature for this back area are the grand steel doors and windows. At the transition point in the hallway, we've installed this steel door with a transom window above. Not only does it look good, but this door creates division between the bedrooms and the entertaining area.